Hi guys, I'm Trevor from Kokoda and I'm here with Jacob from ozxcorp, one of our key partners that we've had for multiple years now. We wanted to talk a little bit more about batteries and battery systems. You might have heard of ozxcorp or the DCX systems, which is all made by ozxcorp. They have batteries, inverters, and whole systems that make sure you're going to be safe. I want to go through that a little bit today because really, batteries, not so safe, right?
Not so safe, yes. Not all batteries the same. We're very excited to introduce our new version of battery, LifePO4 technology, and we're excited to show you a little bit more about the technology and science why we're changing to LifePO4.
Well, actually, one of the things that I really do love is to talk about some of the fires other than like the type of battery construction, like lithium phosphate, lithium ion, lithium whatever. One of the other things is actually the connections, right?
Yes.
So if you have a faulty connection, you can cause a fire.
For sure.
Actually, what I love is, what are these connections called again?
So the technology inside is called high voltage interlock. So basically what that means is that there's an early warning detection. So basically before you even disconnect the connector, it knows that you're removing the connector, so it automatically turns the battery off inside.
I love these. We actually have seen these being drugged behind a van before and the battery still works. Yeah. There's no other connection that can do that. Yeah. I mean, if there is, show me, but these are awesome. So it's a small item, right? But it's like, it's what means you're going to be safe. You're going to be confident that your battery is going to work, right? And what else have we got on here, mate?
You know, just on the connectors, especially if you're going through river crossings, there's no maintenance. You know, there's no corrosion terminal, there's no terminal corrosion. It purely is plug and play. It makes it easier for the manufacturer. So what we've got here, we've got our new active safety control box that gets mounted inside of the caravan. What this does is safely turns the battery on and also monitors all the other cell temperatures inside, the cell voltages. This smart little box that we've got here. The one thing that connects to this device has been in the Counter-Strike series for quite some time is our voice sounder. Now, Trevor, this is one item that you like and you really appreciate as part of your safety ethos within Kokoda, is that it automatically detects what is the cell voltage, what is the temperature, and if there's any issue within the battery, this will give the customer 3 minutes of warning to let them know that there's something wrong with their battery.
Yeah, well, I've got kids, 3 little kids, and although they smell a lot at night, I want to make sure that if something's happening, we all know to get out. So I do love that.
For sure.
Bit of peace of mind.
That's right. And, you know, really ask yourself, what battery do you want to sleep on?
Yeah. And can we go inside this baby?
Let's take it up.
Lifting the lid. So it's pretty cool to be able to look inside these batteries. Oop.
We're bringing out a battery at 12.8 volts, so LifePO4. Now, the reason why we've done this is that we want to make it more accessible to you as the customer and for Kokoda as part of their product portfolio range. But we take science and engineering to the next level. We're just not a normal, typical battery. We're the next step in advance in you know, safety and cell technology. So we're really changing our way from nickel manganese cobalt to LifePO4. Here in front of us, we have a 942 amp hour battery. 942. That is the biggest 12-volt battery you can buy on the market.
And it's in a really nice box. Like it's not massive, it's not oversized, it's not in a weird shape. And what I do, like the other thing I do love about these is how they sit under the chassis. Yes. Right? So they're not on the outside, they're not inside the van. Really well protected.
It's easy to install, it's easy to service, but also that the main benefit is that it's lower center of gravity, so it's easy to tow, it's better to tow. It's certified for IP67, so river crossings.
What about when I get bogged in there? Because, you know, I get stuck.
Well, you know, those videos with the tough test definitely showed how capable the Counter-Strike is.
Yeah.
So yeah, we definitely take safety to the next level, and we're excited to bring out our new range of batteries this year.
Cool. Thanks for meeting with us, mate.
No worries.
If you want to know more, reach out to ozxcorp directly or reach out to us. Come through a factory tour. Happy to show you through, guys. Thanks.
Thanks a lot.